Yeah, hello everyone. Now in this we are going to try to understand the one more part in the reel. So in earlier example we have discussed that we have defined some two rails over the edges and according to that the profile have followed that path. Okay. Now I will take the two same profile, some of the same profile in a same plane and with the help of a one path how we can create a solid. I will take one of the example like I hope you have all of you have seen this Stanley bottles. So I'm not going to be create a full one or I can create, but my focus is only this handle part for now. Okay, how I can create this handle with the help of the Loft feature. Now let me start with creating some sketch. So I will create the first sketch. So I'm taking a rectangular sketch. For now, I'm giving that some dimension to it. It maybe take it 60 and 40. Okay. Now just snap that to particular section and with the origin, I am going to give this 150. Okay. For my understanding. Okay. Now I will just smooth the curves. All the curves should be smooth. Let's take it a radius 10. Okay. Now I have defined one sketch. Now finish the sketch. Now I need to define the another sketch in the same plane. I will do it just below that. So I will do again. Go to this. Again I will draw a rectangle portion. Let me take the rectangle of the center point rectangle. Okay. Now sometime if you seen that after applying the dimension it is going away, so you can apply the fix constraint over there, or but fixed constraint will also does not move it after going the dimension the third one. Okay, so let me apply first, give the dimension. So above I give the 60 by 40, here I will give the dimension the half of that. 60 by 40, let's take it 40 by 20. Okay, just fix it on the snap. Take the dimension from this to the origin. Let's take it 150. Now apply just make the edges, let's take it 5 and click on finish the sketch. Now you can see that I have defined both the cross section. Okay. So now I need to also define one more as a path which start from end to end and have some kind of a shape. Okay, how I can do that? Go to the again the sketch, select the middle of this, means the perpendicular plane. After that, what I need to do, apply the projection. I will select, I only need the center point of this towards the center point of this one. Okay, now let me draw with the help of a straight line. I can do, yeah. Dimension will also help you to understand how much you have to go. Now here I have the option, I can apply some fillets. Okay, 50, let's make it 100. Yeah, also apply the same fillet over there. Here, fine. So here I have defined the handle profile. So now with the help of the loft, how I can convert that into a 3D shape. Now this is we are going to learn. This is another one we have option. Just go to the loft. Okay. So in the loft option, first I need to select these as a profile 1 and this will as a profile 2. Now you can see that it will say that the loft would intersect itself. Okay. It show the warning over there. So basically what we have learned, a loft will work parallel to that or something by applying guide rail. But in the guide type, we have one more option which is called as a center line. So when I click on this center line, now here I need to select this path as a center line. Now when I click on the path as a center line, you can see that the material will flow and you following this path and move over the down by connecting to the another profile. Now click on OK. Now here we have the option and you can see that this is a kind of a handle and this is not a very straight type of handle. You have some curvature or something like this. Okay. Now if I want to finally complete the rest of the part, I can make the bottle. Let me create a bottle somewhere little behind from that. Okay. That will work. Okay. Now finish the sketch. I will apply the this, make it symmetric. Yes. Okay. Can I create something like this? Okay. Just make it join. Okay. Now this is we have a kind of a bottle. The rest of the portion you can also create from your own, but main feature is not a straight handle, but a different type of different shape of handle you can also create. Something like you have a rectangular on the top, elliptical at the bottom or something. You can create something the shape like this. Okay. Thank you very much. Have a good day.